I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have an exciting Happy Mail gift from Dorie's Dollies. We met up with Dorie and her wonderful husband, Andrew, in Cincinnati, Ohio. We met at a doll show, the Queen City Doll Show. Oh, we love it there. This is from Dorie. Show Dorie.
Hey, Dorie. Yeah. And Andrew.
We have reached the ideal age of somewhere between younger than springtime and older than dirt. And look at her little blight. Isn't that the cutest?
That is adorable.
So she can do all the things you've seen her do and draw. Oh, this woman. I love this bow. I love this bow. Let me save my clothes.
I'm going to stumble around here like a drunk here. Just.
He hasn't been drinking.
No.
I'm driving all day. Okay, I'm just going to tear the package.
And I had to do the opening for you a different way because I had to stuff something in there. You have every doll.
Am I okay?
Oh yeah, you're going good. You're doing good.
I didn't understand what you were saying.
Well, you'll see in a minute. Okay. You see, normally we want you to open it this way.
Yep.
But you're going to open it the other way.
At the bottom?
You can turn it around.
Okay. Usually
Turn
I
it
save
around.
paper, but...
Turn it. See right here on this side?
Oh, okay. All right, so here's the opening. Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's a little
Oh my God.
certificate of authenticity.
Oh, you know what? Oh my God. Look. Oh, and it's weighted. I'm not doing the foot and all that.
No.
Oh, this is so exciting. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You have every dolly there is. And I never see you with a little reborn.
Oh, I am doing the feet because look, they're all covered.
Oh yeah, you'll have to take off that wrapper. It's
Look
just to keep it from
at
getting
this
paint rubbed on
face.
it.
Oh, I have a reborn. Oh my God, yeah, let's look at her little hands. Oh my God.
How does it come off?
And don't be afraid to just rip it off.
Oh, you know.
It just is to keep color from transferring on there.
Oh my God, I have a reborn. Is that a beautiful face or what? I can't believe this. Oh, look at the little hands. Oh. I am gonna not go all, I'm not gonna take the little outfit off to remove everything because we have a lot to do this evening. Oh my God. But we will come, oh look, I can get it from here, okay. We will come back around and have her on my channel and really take a look. Oh my God. Jay, look at my reborn. Oh my. Now Penny, I'm gonna have to do some of your Wild Wednesday and stuff. Oh, be careful not to scratch it. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Oh, don't worry. You could do that at your leisure. Don't worry about it.
But I want to show the little foot. I want to see the little foot. Oh my.
And I honestly don't know why.
Yeah,
I didn't tape it like that, but they did.
Careful.
So that she didn't.
Trying to be careful. I'm going to have to get scissors and do. Oh, look at the little feet. Oh my. Look at the bottom. You go like this and their little toes go. Oh, she's beautiful. Thank you so much.
I'm glad you like her.
Oh, thank you. I got a reborn.
I figured you have every doll, but I haven't seen you with a little reborn.
No, I don't. Well, my guru, or Grogu that you gave me.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I'm going to need scissors.
Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and be sure to go by Dorie's channel today and leave her a subscription too.